Hi, I'm Perry Brooks. I'm here today with BG Technical Support to tell you some tips and tricks on the BG Headlight Restoration Service. My first recommendation for the headlight service kit is to make sure that the car is in the shop, is out of the elements, and with as little humidity as possible so that the clear coat will apply evenly. Second, for best results in colder climates, you can use a heat gun or a hair dryer to heat the headlight housing, the clear coat can, or the headlight once the clear coat has been applied. Third, the more you sand the better. It's just like a paint job on a car, it's all in the prep work. We also recommend to sand by hand and do not use a power or orbital sander. Fourth, make sure the headlight is properly cleaned before laying down the clear coat. We get a lot of calls about the clear coat not laying down properly, and it's usually due to user error and not prepping the headlight and cleaning it properly. So please clean it and clean it again. Make sure that you shake the can of the clear coat and then test spray it before spraying on the headlight. So these were the tips and tricks on the BG Headlight Restoration Service. Once again, it's always in the prep work. Make sure you clean and prep your headlight. Test your clear coat before you spray it, and if you have any questions, feel free to call or email BG Technical Support.